What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a brand new video for you today and of one of the Too Good To Eats. Picked it up about 20 minutes ago. If you don't know what Too Good To Eat is, it is a app. You can download it on Android and iOS, and whenever shops that do food, it can be a takeaway, it can be a restaurant, it can be somewhere like Greggs if you know in the UK. Anywhere like that, they've got food going out of date, and what they do is they put it into little packages and then you buy it at a discounted price. You reserve it off the app. Sometimes it does get cancelled if they don't have enough stock in. If there's not enough food leftovers, you might end up getting it cancelled. But most of the time you get something in there and it's always worth a lot more than what you actually pay for it. The only thing about it is you do not know what you are going to get. So you can't plan that you might get something that you're after, because you may not. You may do as well. So without any ado, roll the titles. Now, before we open the Too Good To Go, if you do want to download the app, the Too Good To Go app, I will put a link in the description with a link to the iOS and the Android versions of the app. So you can download them, have a look for yourself. It's worth having a look if you haven't seen it yet. So let's have a look, see what we've got. Today, I have been to Pound Bakery. Now, Pound Bakery's, I think it's just a British kind of store. They sell cakes, they sell sandwiches and pasties. Pasties, big thing over here in the UK, and also pies, all sorts of stuff like that. And I picked it up about 20 minutes ago, and let's have a look, see what's inside. So this is the package that I got. Now, sometimes you can get one bag. I think last time I had 2 bags to go through. There was quite a lot in. Probably not as much today, but still looks like there's some tasty things in here. So let's have a little look. So first up, and definitely tasty, we have the eclair. If you've not had an eclair, it is a kind of pastry with cream in the middle and it has chocolate on top. They are amazing. Yeah, I'm going to be eating all these again for my tea. And not good for the waistline, but who cares? Next up, we've got a couple of gingerbread men. These are just like biscuits or cookies, as you would call them. Also have a couple of Smarties in there, little chocolate buttony type things. Next, let's have a look in here. I got some of these last time, if you watched the last video. These are, turn it the right way around so you can see, these are 2 strawberry tarts. Pastry with strawberry inside and also cream as well. They also have bits of real strawberry in as well, so really good, really tasty. Next up, we've into a sandwiches. So this one is a cheese salad on a brown roll. Again, I like this, so this is good for me. Obviously not as sweet. Next, we've got another exactly the same cheese sandwich on a brown roll. So that's 2 of them. And yep, this is the last one now, so definitely a smaller haul than the last one. If you watched the last video, I had 2 bags worth. Really good haul. But again, seriously good money, good value for money. So the last one is a tuna mayo baguette. So tuna mayo, also got some cucumbers inside. So that's it. So I paid for this bag. Let's have a look. I think I paid $2.79 for it. So yeah, here we go, guys. Just a quick look at everything that's on the table. So just so you know, I did pay £3.25 for this, and this is everything we've got. So we've got the 2 sandwiches, we've got the baguette, and then for afterwards, or maybe afterwards, after a second eating, we've got the gingerbread man, the strawberry tart, and the chocolate eclairs, which is definitely my favourite in this haul. So yeah, that's it for me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.